Jimmy, tell me, do you know anything about cow bingo?
Dude, I don't know anything about cow bingo. Sally, do you know what cow bingo is?
Cow bingo? What's that? Is that a game? I want to play. Can I play?
I don't know what it is. That's why I'm asking you guys. Oh, you don't know either? Maybe we should ask Sage. Sage knows everything.
Cow Bingo is part of the annual open house celebration at Canine Partners for Life. People from across the country buy tickets to numbered squares on a field. A cow's let loose on that field, and wherever it does its business first, that person wins a big prize. Pico and I are heading over there right now. You can come with us if you'd like.
Hey, any of you guys notice that Pico's dressed up like a cow for some reason? Yeah, what's up with that? I want to go. I want to go. Do we have to dress up like cows?
Yay! Cow bingo! Yay! CPL cow bingo!
There was a farmer had a dog, and Bingo was his